Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. We're heading over to the DMV. If you guys noticed last time, I didn't have any plates, so I'm just gonna go register my car and hopefully we get some plates today. His license plate is hella funny. This Tesla says Avalon. First things first, I'm gonna get some gas. We literally have no gas left in the car. And there's hella people, bro. I'm gonna be waiting here for 30 plus minutes. Costco prices are the cheapest, and yet it's still $3.55. We just got the license plate, and yeah, and I just registered as well. Yeah, so I was thinking maybe I could detail the inside as well. The car is kind of dusty. The outside is perfect, but I don't know how long it's been sitting. Like the materials are perfect and stuff, but it's just like this. It's just hella dusty. And I'm actually not planning to do any mods with the car. I'm just planning to keep it stock in the way it is. But I do want it really clean for me to drive every day. The outside is already clean, it's just the inside just needs a little scrubbing and dubbing. But besides that, the car is already perfect. I like it the way it is right now, so yeah, we're gonna keep it like that. But I'm gonna close this shit. It's hella hot outside. It's like 93 degrees. Nah, it's getting way too hot. Alright, I just finished vacuuming. See, this is what I was talking about. It's hella dusty. This car is filthy from the inside. I'm gonna just go and clean it real quick. Go to Walmart, get some products, and yeah, just wipe things off. Shit. So I came to Target instead of Walmart because Target was closer. But look at this big Camry, bruh! Alright, I'm gonna use this to wipe the dust off from this interior, and I also bought some chicken because you already know I love chicken, so yeah. Alright, trial and error. I took one out just to see if it will actually work and actually wipe the whole thing off. Oh, it actually does. Look at that. Look at all that dust, bro. Bro, was I really driving with all this shit on there? One of my dream cars are coming up. Sheesh! Giveaway? Bro, so please.
Few inches later.
Alright guys, it's the next morning. I slept in last night. I was super tired. So yeah, we re-cleaned the steering wheel. And let's just clean this up a little. much cleaner. This is usually the most dirtiest in every car. See in this. Yeah, it is hella dirty. Much better. Y'all want to see the cup holders? Jeez. That's so nasty. Alright, we're on the passenger side now. Bro. Y'all think I'm not gonna do this? Oh yeah. The seats look clean, right? Right? Let's see how dirty the seats are. All these 20 years of ass and stain and back sweat. Just nasty. That's not too bad. Holy crap, what the hell is that? That actually looks like shit too. Ass wipe. Alright, I just finished cleaning the back. Hella dirty. And I cleaned the front as well. Bro, I don't want to show the back because it's hella boring. But yeah, you guys get the idea. This car used to be hella dirty. Doesn't seem like it because of the interior color, but yeah. I'm gonna just get some 18 grams. It's a better coffee than Starbucks. I don't know about better coffee than Starbucks, but I still love it.